Digital security, swift response, smart progression. Welcome to Qingqiao Safety Investigation. On January 17, 2014, the esteemed British scientific journal, Nature, released a groundbreaking research report. This report highlighted that the Greenland ice sheet had melted approximately 20% more ice between 1985 and 2022 than previously estimated, signaling that the detrimental impacts of global warming may surpass earlier projections. Situated along the northwest coast of the Atlantic Ocean, the Greenland ice sheet blankets Greenland, the world's largest island, spanning an area of approximately 1.8339 million square kilometers. Second in size only to the Antarctic ice sheet, the Greenland ice sheet has emerged as a focal point in studies related to global warming, glacier melting, and associated phenomena. This prominence stems from the Greenland ice sheet's inherent instability compared to its Antarctic counterpart. While the Antarctic ice sheet is nestled within the polar region's frigid temperatures, the Greenland ice sheet lies considerably farther from the cold extremes. Extending south of the 60th parallel north, a significant portion of the ice sheet occupies the northern temperate zone, rendering it susceptible to warming trends. Consequently, in the context of global warming, scientists anticipate that the Greenland ice sheet may experience accelerated melting before its Antarctic counterpart. Moreover, the North Atlantic, where the Greenland ice sheet resides, holds profound historical significance as one of the cradles of human civilization. For centuries, the North Atlantic warm current, the primary ocean current in the North Atlantic Ocean, has played a pivotal role in maintaining year-round ice-free ports for countries in Western and Northern Europe. These ports have served as crucial hubs for maritime trade, facilitating the opening of sea routes and enabling renowned navigators like Columbus, da Gama, and Magellan to embark on their voyages of discovery. This era of geographical exploration laid the groundwork for Northwest Europe's global dominance prior to World War II. Throughout human history, these ports have not only facilitated global trade in goods but also served as vital conduits for political expansion and cultural exchange. They stand as enduring landmarks in the annals of human civilization. Even today, countries bordering the North Atlantic, such as the United Kingdom, Germany, and the Netherlands, remain pivotal centers of global politics, economics, and culture, with bustling human activity characterizing these regions. Given their historical and contemporary significance, changes in the Greenland ice sheet hold profound implications for human development. The latest research on the Greenland ice sheet, published in the prestigious British scientific journal, Nature, sheds light on the impact of its melting on the North Atlantic warm current. Green, one of the authors of the study report and a glaciologist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, informed reporters that their analysis of nearly 240,000 satellite images from 1985 to 2022 focused on the melting of the underwater part of the Greenland ice sheet. This submerged portion, not initially contributing to sea level rise, holds the potential to significantly impact ocean currents traversing the region, particularly the North Atlantic warm current. Following its passage through the eastern portion of the Greenland ice sheet, the North Atlantic warm current surges directly towards the seas of Western Europe, exerting a considerable influence on the region. During this journey, melting of the submerged section of the Greenland ice sheet contributes to the North Atlantic warm current, causing it to cool and diminish its warming effect on the Western European continent. This phenomenon ultimately leads to a decrease in the overall temperature of the Western European seas and the continent itself, thereby inducing climate change. In recent years, Western Europe has experienced a surge in extreme weather events. At the start of this year, Storm Isa made landfall in Western Europe, subjecting the UK to powerful winds not experienced in years. Consequently, the UK issued a rare national major storm warning. This led to disruptions in railway operations, flight delays or cancellations, and power outages for tens of thousands of households. Concurrently, the German Meteorological Office issued heavy snowfall warnings, with some areas expecting up to 30 centimeters of snow within 24 hours, causing widespread disruptions to road, railway, and civil aviation traffic. The concept of the butterfly effect illustrates how a minor action, such as the flapping of a butterfly's wings in South America, can trigger a massive tornado thousands of kilometers away. Similarly, the temperature drop across the entire North Atlantic Ocean is poised to bring about significant changes in global climate patterns. Some meteorologists argue that phenomena like last year's El Niño event, severe flooding in Southeast Asia, and the frequent wildfires in Australia are all interconnected with these shifts. The initial impacts of global warming have begun to surface. The Earth, our cherished blue planet, carries the weight of all human civilization. This is not a challenge isolated to one region or nation but a shared concern for all humanity, necessitating a collective global effort to address it. Not long ago, the World Meteorological Organization issued a press release, officially confirming that 2023 will be the hottest year on record. The global average temperature this year was 1.45 degrees Celsius higher than before industrialization, 1850 to 1900. The warming trend is increasing. At the same time, nearly 200 countries participating in the United Nations Climate Change Conference passed an agreement to reduce the use of fossil fuels and mitigate global warming for the first time. Countries around the world have never stopped promoting emission reductions, but specific implementation must fall to individuals. In daily life, actions such as using bicycles or public transportation, turning off lights, and conserving water all contribute to mitigating global warming. Tune in at 6 a.m. from Monday to Friday for Qingqiao Safety Investigation for your daily safety updates.